Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for December 22nd through January 3rd. For the period December 22nd to 26th, models and ensembles in agreement in forecasting above normal heights here across much of Canada. And we have a trough here in the central U.S. We also have below normal heights here and a ridge over the eastern Pacific into the west. And this trough spreads below normal heights into the east. An increasingly tilted trough aloft in the east Wednesday and Thursday will bring a threat of organized wintry weather across northern New England, the upper Midwest on Tuesday and Wednesday, and the Appalachians, the interior northern mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Heavy precipitations forecasted in the Northwest Wednesday and further inland across the Intermountain West on Christmas Day and into Friday. So we're going to look now at the period for the 25th to the 29th. We're going to go now to the 25th. Here we are on the 25th. We have below normal heights building into the east. We still have our very strong positive height anomalies across Canada. And here's our ridge. Models are pretty much in agreement during this time frame. And we're going to look at the ensembles. And all the models, even the Canadian ensembles, are in very good agreement during this forecast period. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, and for northern New England, and for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here. Now we're going to look at the period for December 30th to January 3rd. We've been forecasting a change to come in the pattern, allowing more cold air into the U.S., and that'll be happening during this period. We're looking at the 30th. You can see this is the 30th. There's the GFS has a below normal heights or a broad trough across much of the nation. Still a large area of positive height anomalies across Canada and Alaska into the west off the coast of western Canada, and this is indicative of maybe possible blocking. And during this time frame, the NAO and the AO indexes are forecast to be negative, and the PNA will be positive. So we're going to go forward into time. It doesn't really change that much. And then we're going to look at the ensembles, the GFS ensembles. And the European ensembles has a reverse in the pattern with a trough here of the east central U.S. and a trough in the east, and we have a ridge over the Gulf of Alaska and the western and the eastern Pacific. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures across a large portion of the nation, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west coast, and above normal precipitation for the east coast states. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for December 22nd through January 3rd. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.